good, y'all? Welcome back. Hold on. Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. Yeah, as you can tell, I still sound a little sick, but I'm feeling a little better, bro. We good. Your boy went back to work and everything, and I just got home. Well, I got home like a couple minutes ago, and I came home to a big ass box. You feel me? We have another thing that just came in today. If you guys have been watching the video, we have been rebuilding my Supra due to an accident that I got in last year, if you guys are new. And we are rebuilding the Supra right now. And I've been buying parts. And this one I was debating on buying. I ended up pulling the trigger because I just felt like it was gonna flow right with the side skirts, the front lip, and I decided to get a carbon diffuser. So that's what we got. Carbon diffuser up in here. I'm gonna probably open it up, see if everything's fine, everything's okay, nothing broken, and then gotta take it to the shop so they can install that and they have it there. And yeah, see if we even get more update with the car too. Haven't been there in a week, so hopefully they've been doing something. But yeah, let me open this up and see what's up. I got an envelope here. I don't know what it says. Seibon, I don't know, catalog, I guess. As you guys can see, it is Seibon carbon. This is my first Seibon piece. I'm telling y'all, everything's different. Agile side skirts, Rex speed front lip, and a Seibon rear diffuser, and a street hunter wing. I'm telling you, bro, everything's different on it. Yo. Wood on there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's on wood. Like, what the fuck? I've never seen any packaging like this where it has the wood on here. Like, and it's screwed on. Like, what the fuck? What, bro? It's screwed onto the wood. That is so weird. That is so weird. What the hell? Let me take this out real quick. But that is weird. It's screwed on there. I feel the bolt back here. And we have the diffuser out. Bro, this thing is so sick. Authentic carbon fiber, you feel me? But bro, it is so weird that it is bolted on sticks like this. I don't know why they did that. I guess to keep it sturdy. But bro, this thing is so beautiful. Damn, bro, the carbon weave just looks so nice. Yeah, this diffuser is gonna be so aggressive too with the fins. Hell yeah. That's why I went with it, because it's so aggressive and just so wide that this is gonna look so much better. Oh, bro, I'm so glad I went with this. Now I just gotta put it back into the truck. So if my camera dies, it's because I forgot to charge it and I forgot to charge the other batteries. If it dies, I'll swap over to the phone. But hopefully it don't fall. It's in the trunk right now in the back of the bed, so I think the wood will carry it down. I think we'll be fine. But yeah, bro, I've never seen a diffuser come packaged like that with the wood on like that. That's so weird. Never seen that. I don't know how it's gonna show those holes or anything, bro, but I've never seen a package diffuser like that. They screw holes into it like that. That's crazy. That's crazy, but yeah, about to drop it off right now. See what's up, see what happens. So they officially took the seat out because apparently they're gonna stitch it because they're gonna put that airbag in. But like I said, bro, it would have been so much easier if the seat had came already and they would have just swapped it out right now. But they installed all the airbags already that were right here. They got the pillars. Those are in already. We're just waiting on the seat to come back. He said probably Saturday that should be back. And yeah, man, pretty much the same. He put everything back inside. The panels, everything inside is pretty much put back in. You see everything here now. Everything's all put back. Just needs to get cleaned, obviously. We're still waiting on the front windshield to get replaced. But yeah, bro, pretty much a lot of stuff is here already. They just gotta put it on. Just dropped off the rear diffuser. Coilovers is still here. Stock exhaust is still here. The front lip over there. Oh, bro, this shit scares me because I hope they don't run this shit over. You feel me? Ooh, this shit just scares me, bro. I don't want this shit to get run over or fucking scratched or anything like that. You feel me? So, yeah, bro. Here's the carbon diffuser, looking very nice and spiffy. Very nice. This thing's gonna look hella aggressive. Now we got a couple things here I don't know. They probably got some more parts. And then here's the front bumper and oh bro, tail lights. I just want this thing back already. I just want it back. Oh, this is my battery, bro. I wonder if it works. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is my battery. Should be. I'm assuming. Coils, stock exhaust, and a seatless Supra. Bro, oh, only if my seat came in this week or something, bro, it would have been so. Would have been perfect timing, bro. They could have just thrown that seat in here and it would have been straight. But yeah, they're gonna probably bring that seat on Saturday. That's what he just told me. It's pretty much in the same condition other than the stuff got put in. The airbags are all pushed in. Everything's all good. No more airbags. You don't gotta worry about that. Wait on the seat to come back and then yeah, man. Yeah, man. Say, man. I don't know. I just want her back, bro. I just want to drive her already, you know? But bro, I'm telling you, bro, the car's gonna come back crazier than ever. It's gonna come back so much better. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see the final product. Cause I'm telling you guys, bro, I'm waiting on wheels too. I'm still waiting on my wheels, and they have not yet came. So don't forget, bro, we still are waiting on wheels. I think the wheels that I've picked are gonna be fucking phenomenal, bro. I think you guys are even gonna love it. You guys are gonna love those wheels as well. How it's gonna come, how it's gonna look, the final product with the Supra, the color, the wheels, the lip, the side skirt, everything, bro. And I still want to get a PPF too, so it's like fudge, bro. There's still a lot of things to do. There's so much money. So we is on the iPhone right now because I pulled up unexpectedly again. I went to work, went to the gym, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pass by and see if they've done anything, and bro, they've done a lot. Actually, the car's is pretty much put back together at this point. Obviously, we're just missing a couple pieces. It's the front bumper's not fully bracked on right, but there's a lot of shit, man. Now it's looking good. Now it's looking good. A lot has changed. A lot of stuff is put on. The seat finally came back. And bro, I just dropped off the diffuser just like 2 days ago, and they already have it on. It's basically mocked up on right now. He said he's gonna take it off to do like more, to like fit it on there properly. But bro, it is looking good. We have the seat right here. It is back. They just brought it back right now. He just said, and sheesh, bro, I haven't seen the car look complete like this, like an actual full car in couple months, bro. Months. Yeah, it's been months, bro, since the accident. Fuck, bro. Alright, you guys ready, bro? Alright, I'm gonna show y'all, bro. This shit looks crazy. The rear end right now looks insane. Alright, bro, I'm gonna show y'all. Enough teasing. Look at this, bro. We have the rear end basically put on, bro. We have the tail light on. We got the wing. We got the side fender. Everything's basically put on, bro. And we got the carpet diffuser right here looking hella clean. He said he's gonna do a little bit of modification to like make it fit properly on this side so it can sit flush, but he said he's gonna still take it out and do more work. But bro, here she is, bro. Rear end is fully together. We still are missing the front lip and the side skirts, and here's the seat, bro, put back together, all stitched up, airbags in there, everything's all solid. Seat's looking brand new, nothing ever happened to it. And we got the front end right here, bro, put on. We got the gloss black. I told y'all we was gonna keep that gloss black. And obviously we still have the lip over there, so they still gotta put the lip on and everything. Coilover's still over there. They still gotta put that on, the exhaust as well. And bro, with the fenders, we got the EVS fenders on there. Well, Rex Speed fenders, my bad. The Rex Speed fenders and all that, but damn, bro. She is basically a complete car now, bro. It is crazy to see her like this. I haven't seen her like this in so long, bro, since the accident. And damn, bro, they've killed it, bro. Obviously, still needs to get washed, buff, sanded, all that again, so the paint can pop and look good, like the front right here. She is basically done and put back together. Just missing a couple more bolts, things to tighten up, but empty seat. I wish we had the Street Hunter seat here so we could have just installed that instead of putting that one back on, but we're gonna have to probably put that back on because the Street Hunter seat's still not here yet. So yeah, bro, it's so dusty in here. Oh, so nasty. And then we still, oh, they've replaced the front windshield. Holy shit, I just noticed that. Hell yeah, I just seen the tape right here. So they replaced it. Fuck yeah, we got a brand new front windshield. I just realized that right now. Hell yeah. I wonder if it was here when I came last time. I probably was just dumb and didn't see that. But yeah, bro, we got a whole front windshield now. Front windshield replaced. The whole car is looking basically brand spanking new. This is a whole brand new car. It really is a brand spanking new car. They killed the side over here, bro. Like, if you guys remember, and if you guys are new to the channel, this thing was all banged up, bro. And they brought the Supra back to life, bro. They absolutely killed it, made it look like nothing ever happened to this car, bro. And I just can't wait to have her back, bro. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. Like, this ain't even the finished product. This is just what you guys are seeing right now. The car basically back, like, stock, how it was. But until the lip gets added, the side skirts get added, till the wheels come, till the coilovers get added on, and bro, the seat when it arrives, and oh my god, the titanium exhaust is still not even here. And bro, I'm telling you guys, we're still missing things. The new steering wheel, oh man, there's so much things coming, and it's about to look so damn sick, bro. Oh, bro, I'm just happy that she's basically done, bro. This makes me excited. We're gonna have her back pretty damn soon, man. Hell yeah. And bro, let me know in the comment sections below. I've been really debating on this, but please let me know. Should I get a roll cage for the Supra? And if I am gonna get a roll cage, I was thinking white. Like, I think it would just pop a white roll cage in the Supra. Let me know. What do you guys think? Should I do that? I've been itching to pull the trigger on that to see if I want to get that, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm debating. Let me know, bro. White roll cage? I think that'd be sick. But bro, y'all can't tell me y'all ain't excited like me, bro. Smash that like button right now for your boy, bro, if you guys are excited, because holy shit, bro, the carbon diffuser just looks insane. Looks fucking sick. Oh damn, bro, I wish I had my camera, but the phone will do, man. The phone will do. I am just hella excited for the side skirts to go on. It's gonna give it that width, and then the front lip, and bro, still more things to come. Like, she all dirty and all that right now. Y'all just gotta wait till she's done and finished product. Wait till you see. But damn, bro, I'm really excited about the front windshield now. Hell yeah. Bro, the one I had before was hella rock chipped up. But fuck, bro, I'm hella excited. Ooh, hell yeah. Tell me she don't look good, bro. She is coming along, bro. She is coming along, bro. I'm hella excited just to even see it in this state, bro. Like, seeing it like fully put together right now is just crazy to me. Obviously, it's still missing a couple things and all that, but bro, like, you guys get the full picture. Like, this thing is back. It is back, bro. It's basically done. You know, obviously, like, done in this state, but after you guys see it, the vision that I envisioned for this car, and when I get the wheels and all that and everything settled, the coilovers, all the good, this car is about to look insane, bro. Insane. And I can't wait for y'all to see that finished product. Like, right now, you guys are just seeing, like, the little bit of it, though. Damn, bro. I can't wait to just drive it. I just want to drive it right now. I'm itching for it. Damn, bro. This just goes to show, bro. ABC Auto Body Shop, bro. Killed it, bro. Like, made it look like nothing ever happened to you, bro. Like, if you guys ever need, you know, body work or anything like that, ABC Auto Body Shop, hit them up, bro. They will get you right. Make sure your car looks good, just like mine. Make sure, like, nothing ever happened to it. It was also just telling me we might need to get a new battery. I hope not, bro. We're gonna have to charge it and see if it still works or anything like that, but I really hope I don't have to buy a new battery. I think them things is expensive, and I just don't want to buy a battery. I don't. Hopefully it still works. Okay, guys, we're probably gonna get up out of here right now. Just had to come see it, bro, and I'm super glad I came to see it, because I would have not seen it like this. And damn, bro, it just looks absolutely good, bro. They killed it, bro. I can't sweat that enough, bro. They really did, bro. They really did, and it looks good. They still gotta add things and all that. Like, this is just teasing y'all, but y'all get it. Y'all get the picture. It's basically done, bro. She is basically back. Oh, bro, I can't wait to have her back on the road. Obviously, still more work to do, but just that carbon diffuser, bro. Just even giving you guys that sneak peek, bro. I wasn't gonna show you guys, but I wanted to show you guys something good. But it looks good, bro. Looks hella good. Ooh, hopefully next time we see it, she'll be washed up, looking good and ready to take home, hopefully. But or if the seat comes, I could bring that, or the exhaust comes, I could bring that too. So we shall see. We shall see.